What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. And in this video, we're going to bring a new platform to you guys today, starting today on Thursday, October 7th, 2021. And that platform is called Omegabit.ltd. That's right, Omegabit.ltd. All right, just another one of these hype platforms. Okay, we're going to talk about it. We're going to deep dive into it, but I want to remind everybody that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing y'all how I'm growing my crypto, nothing more and nothing less. And with that being said, I'm going to share my screen with y'all and show y'all what Omegabit is talking about. But remember, never invest or put anything into these opportunities that you aren't willing to lose completely. That includes your time. And we're going to jump into it, all right? This is the back office, but I want to go ahead and start with the home page, all right? This is a day zero. Day zero, day zero. Y'all see it up there, day zero, all right? Bitcoin trading made easy. Now, I know we just had a platform that may have fallen off, but we don't have an official note or nothing like that. So we just keep on cranking. We find something new. And if that one falls off, then it falls off. But we also have a new one that just popped up. Yes, this is a hype. When you're starting off at, 3%, 5%, anything over 1%, really, I think it's a hype, all right? But this is Bitcoin trading made easy. Welcome to Omegabit.ltd. Our company offers trust assets management of the highest quality on the basis of foreign exchange and profitable trade through Bitcoin exchanges. We all know Bitcoin is making money. We all know Forex is making money. It's time for us to make some money, right? All right, investment offer. So starting at $20 to a minimum $20, a maximum of $200,000, you can earn up to 5.5% daily, all right? To start earning your daily profit, all right? So they have these buttons down here. I'm not exactly, they're not really buttons, that's just what it says. Okay, so let's continue on. It says promote and earn. You can join now, all right? I always leave my links below. If this is something that you're interested in, you can go ahead and do that. If you're not, that's fine. If it's not your cup of tea, that's cool. You don't have to do it. I'm not telling anybody what to do. They also have a referral program. Now, this is impressive because their first level is 8% in a market that we usually see 5% on the first level. Second level goes back to standard 2%, and then third level is 1%. But that first level is really powerful. So guys, if you're sharing links, get out there and do that. All right. Their selection is minimal when it comes to processors and what they accept. All right. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and Doge is what they take, and that's it. All right. Let's jump into this FAQ. Let's see if we can get some questions answered here. All right. How to make a deposit. What's the minimum deposit? Minimum deposit is $20. Maximum is $200,000. Where to start investing? After registration, you need to familiarize yourself with the investment rates and replenish the deposit by the corresponding amount. And we'll talk about that. All right. Transaction fees. Nope. Both deposit and withdrawal funds are carried out without any fees except for those provided from payment systems. As we all know, Bitcoin and all those different blockchain fees is the word I was looking for. If you want to reinvest, you can. How many tariff plans are available? We do not prevent investors from getting unlimited income. So each project participant can purchase as many plans as they want to. All right. They go into some trust stuff. We all know these plans are high risk and all that stuff. So if you believe that, whatever, that's on you guys. Is there a withdrawal limit? All right. So for Bitcoin, the minimum you can withdraw for Bitcoin is $20, and for everything else is $10. So be mindful of that when you're making your deposit. All right. I've created withdrawal requests. How long do I have to wait? All right. All withdrawals will go through instantly. All right. So they're saying it's an instant withdrawal when the transaction will be shown in your account. Depends on the rules of the particular payment system and wallet provider you are using. All right. Any withdrawal fees? No. Can't withdraw my money to my wallet. Most likely the reason may be as follows. You don't have enough funds in your account. We are trying to withdraw more than you have. All right. That's usually what it is. Make sure you have the correct wallet address as well. All right. So we've already talked about the fact that it starts at 5%. All right. 5%, 5.5%. Okay. Up to 5.5% daily. Now, it says on the bottom, I'm now understanding this, okay? Anywhere from $20 to $99 is at that 3.5% range, okay? Anyone from $1,000 to $24.99 is the 4.5% range. And to get that 5.5, you have to put at least $2,500 in. And that's what that is. All right. So I figured I'd just mention that since it makes more sense that I'm looking at it now. Now let's talk about where BOJ stands. Okay. So when I got this, I was like, okay, you know what? I think I got a couple ducats that I can try. I want to get at least that. What was it? What was it again? Let's see. What was it again? 4.5%. I said, you know what? I may not get that 5.5, but I at least want that 4.5. Okay. So I see I have an active deposit of $1,000. Okay. $1,000. And to make a deposit, what you want to do is you want to go in here and you want to choose which one it is that you're going to do, right? So say if you're like me, you have 1,000, right? Put in 1,000 and you want to pay from a processor, which is going to be everybody else that's, you know, out there that's trying to get their stuff in and want to join, all right? You might choose Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, or Ethereum, right? Say I want Bitcoin. You click on spend after you say pay from processor, you've entered the amount. This should take you to the next page if there isn't any problems, all right? So I picked that. Now it's going to bring you to deposit confirmation. It's going to tell you what your plan is. So this is 4.5% daily for a year, all right? Say this lasts a year, you're going to getting all of that in a year, all right? And of course, your principal return is not going to happen because it's included in the profit. The goal is to make your profit through your returns, all right? So deposit with the principal withdrawal is not available. No deposit fee, and they pretty much just tell you where to send it. This is the wallet address. You copy the address. Usually it will have a QR code over here. I'm not sure exactly why it's not showing up right now, but it usually will. So if that's easier for you, then that works out, okay? And then after you make your deposit, it'll wait for it. And did it say anything about confirmations and how long it takes? Let's jump into where's FAQ? FAQ is down at the bottom of the screen. So let's see. Does it say anything about how many no, it doesn't. It also lets you create multiple accounts if you want to do that, but I was looking for something else. Okay. It doesn't say how many confirmations it takes, but you know, it's all good. We put this in and we got $1,000 in, and that's where we stand in Omegabit. All right. I will leave my referral link at the bottom of the screen. I mean, I'm not the bottom of the screen, but at the bottom of the description. When you click on show more, if you go in there, you should see it at the bottom in the hype section. I got a whole section for hypes and stuff like this. Okay. So it's down there. So if this is something that you want to get involved in, you want to get anywhere from 3.5 to 5.5%, with as low as 20 bucks. I mean, look, it's there for you. It's something that if you want to use it, it's here. But what we try to do is we find winning platforms. And if there's any inkling that this platform stops paying, then we're going to be done with it. We don't waste a whole lot of time with non-paying platforms. Just like earlier today when we were talking about another platform. Look, if it ain't going to pay, if I don't see batch IDs, especially when it's told us in the FAQ, it's an instant transaction, then we just ditch it, all right? They do have a security tab where you can set up your two-factor authenticator. So you know what? I think I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. Set that up. And I suggest everybody do this because crypto is the wild, wild west, y'all. And if you ain't strapped, you know what's bound to happen, all right? You know what's bound to happen. You're bound to get hacked. So please don't get hacked, all right? Set up your security settings the way you prefer them and, you know, hope for the best, all right? This is Bank of Gerald here with Omegabit. We're talking about Omegabit. It's on a day 0, y'all. It's on day 0. Let's see how much we can get cranked out in Omegabit over the next month, 2 months, 3 months, year maybe, all right? Who knows? We know platforms last that long, but will this one, all right? With that being said, make sure you put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you, and all your wallets. Crypto's the wild, wild west. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. I will see y'all in the next video, all right? This is Omegabit, new platform starting at 3%, 3.5% to 5.5% daily. All right, 7 days a week. Y'all check it out if you want to.